Welcome to Channel 11 News. Today we are going to discuss the controversial topic of human genetic engineering. First, you are going to hear from our scientist Josh and learn what human genetic engineering is and the history behind it.
Genetic engineering, simply put, is a way of manipulating our genes to, in such ways to make our bodies better. For many centuries, our culture has been manipulating plant genomes and genes to remove diseases so that we don't get them in turn.
Thanks, Josh. Here's a fun fact. In 2001, 30 babies were genetically modified, and Shauna Slipka is standing by with one of their parents.
Thank you, Declan. Hi, I'm currently here with a father who had an unfortunate experience with genetically modifying his baby. Timmy, could you explain your story to us?
Yeah. Back in 2001, we discovered a disability within me and my wife's child. She's currently modeling in California right now, so she couldn't be here. We detected the disability and we decided to use genetic engineering to try to fix it. Unfortunately, that resulted in the death of our child. Pretty tragic. There are also other disadvantages to genetic engineering, such as what happened to our baby, the termination of the embryo. It could also become worse through genetic mutation because the doctors always don't know exactly what's going to happen with the genes they're putting in. It's very expensive, and it also reduces the individuality among humans because you can put in whatever desired trait you'd like.
All right, thank you for sharing your tragic story with us and informing us about the information and negative effects of genetic engineering. Back to you, Declan.
Even though there are some disadvantages, there is also a lot of advantages. Now, back to Shauna with another father and his own different story.
Hi, I'm currently here on Main Street with Jacques, and he has a totally different story than the one before, with positive benefits. Could you share your story with us?
Yes. Early in my child's life, we discovered a terminal disorder in my child. So we went to genetic engineering and it worked. He's now living a normal life in high school and stuff. So there are many pros of genetic engineering, one of which is it helps prevent genetic disorders or remove them. It helps individuals have a better life because they get to live longer. It helps deepen understanding of genes. It allows the parents to choose the baby's traits, so it's like a designer baby. And it probes into medical advancements, so we get more information.
All right, thank you for sharing your story with us. Back to you, Declan.
We have heard two different stories about human genetic engineering, along with the pros and cons. Do you think human genetic engineering is ethical and should continue being tested? Thanks for watching.
It feels like a perfect night to dress up like hipsters and make fun of our exes.